You can have 100 problems until something goes wrong with your health, and then you only have one problem.
Oh,
And
yeah.
what's most likely to help you in that case is money. You need money to stay healthy. Unfortunately, that can help a lot. If you have money, you can solve a lot of issues regarding health as well.
Yeah.
So I think it shouldn't be overlooked, the importance. It shouldn't be, um, people shouldn't tell you to not chase money, or if you do, then you're evil. There's a line definitely, but it's a good thing just to be able to look after yourself and the people around you.
I agree. I think, however, money should be a result and not the target. So the thing you chase, if you say you can't chase money, I think the thing you chase is going to be the thing that brings you the money. So don't chase the money directly because that's when you start getting criminal activity, I think, and that becomes evil.
Hmm.
But when you have a target and you're chasing that target and it results in giving you a lot of money, then that's great. So kind of we're saying to each other, chase the right target, the one that will give you money. And then that should kind of be what you're chasing. But